Getting ready for a proof print. First thing I'm going to do is dampen some paper. I'm going to leave it in this plastic bag to keep it damp. I will blot it before I use it on my print. I'm going to assemble what I need to make my print, and what I'm going to need is some ink. I like using Cranfield Calico Safe Wash ink. This time I'm going to use burnt sienna. Rubber gloves to keep my hands clean. I'm going to use a dauber that I made out of an old t-shirt and some tape to rub the ink in. I'm going to use some old newspaper, paper towels, and some disinfectant wipes handy to keep everything clean. So I've decided to go ahead and use a little bit of black instead because it just doesn't seem dark enough to me. I'm going to put it directly in my dauber. It'll be warm because it's going to mix with the brown. I definitely want the eyes to be darker. Let's see if I can get more definition to the lines with some black ink. Oh, it's better. Okay, let's give it a go. I put a little guide on my etching press, and I have a piece of paper here. Let me blot it a little better. It is wet and blotted. I don't want any puddles of water on it, so I'm making sure that there are no puddles. And I'm going to put it into the spot that I set for this. I'm going to put a piece of paper over it. See what we got. First print.